Hey now. Hey! You turkey. Did you tell him to do that?
I would never.
Owenman and Family.
It's art day at the Owenman Family house, and today we are going to try the marker airbrush kit.
Oh, yeah. Hey.
So this is our airbrush with a marker and a motor in it. It blows air, and let's see what happens. This is our first time using it. Gotta pull the trigger. And it sprays a line. You're gonna try it? Let's see what it does with a stencil real quick. Let's see how we use the stencils. We'll try to make a green dragon. What do you think? Let's try it. Let's just see what works, how it works. Hold the stencil, or you should tape it. Pull the trigger and spray inside. Spray inside his tail. I'm not going to do the fire. We're going to try to keep that. We can do red. We'll switch out the marker. You think we should do red next? Let's do it. And we'll make him all green and make the fire red. All right. And this is with one of the bigger markers, so you can do finer lines with finer tip markers too. All right, let's switch it out to red. Fire red. Ready? All right, Owen. Should we pick this up? Is that cool?
No, thank you.
No, thank you. All right, you want to try it? What are you drawing?
Baba.
You drawing a robot? Might want to go a little slower. Nope, keep it on the paper, man.
You want another marker? Yeah.
What color?
Would you like?
Green?
Yeah.
That's a lot. Don't touch it. That's ink, man. It's going to get on your fingers. You'll have green fingers. What are you doing there? Too much, too much, too much.
What do you think about that dragon?
What do you think about that dragon?
No.
What? You don't like it?
I
I think that's a good looking dragon. What do you think?
Okay.
What are you doing? You're trying to mark out my dragon? Hey now. Hey! You turkey. Did you tell him to do that?
I would never.
What'd you do?
Mommy did.
Mommy did it.
Oh, Mommy did it. Hey, go.
Oh man. Oh man.
Down.
All right, it's time to try to draw a robot. Let's see. I'm going to do the outlines, and then Owen and Mommy are going to color it in. Oh, that's a big head. Little home-based style. And then let's mimic that shape. Look at me switching up hands. Do a little waist situation. Flexible. Now we need legs. Legs or wheels? Big what? Big legs?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do legs. Legs, we'll go with the... Yeah, look at those shapes. Daddy's rocking it. Hip joints. And legs. Now we need arms. Do shoulders. claws.
Oh. Whoa.
Apparently we need an arm over here too, huh, buddy? And then one big eye. Right in the middle. You want it off to the side?
Yeah.
One eyeball way over here.
Yeah. And come on. I you hop on and it's like you boy the bad guy.
It needs a phone.
Yeah. And bad guy.
This robot's a bad guy?
No, whoa, we're
So
both.
the phone
The
is
phone
the
is a
bad
bad
guy?
guy?
Yeah.
Oh, because Mitchell's
And it's
versus
controlling
machines.
it? Okay, let's do this. We'll put it up in the corner like it's talking to the bad guy.
Yeah.
So right here.
Yeah.
And then for its face, we should give it angry eyes. Angry eyes. There we go.
Yeah, that's good.
Again.
All right.
Hey.
Creepy robot with red eyes. Nice. Let's see what you did. Oh, that's a scary eye. All right, what's next? Anything else red, or are we going to change colors?
Yeah.
What about the phone? Make the phone screen red?
She's kind of mad, huh?
All right, let's see it. Go.
Oh no, I just that.
They're dots?
Yeah, that.
Okay.
That. I love you all.
Oh, man.
Yes.
Nice.
You don't like that noise?
Looking good. Think mommy's doing a good job, bud?
No.
No, how
thanks,
nice.
buddy. What do you think? Do you think it looks good?
No, I did that.
Did I miss
Oh,
it?
gonna
Oh.
get the waist.
Oh, you're right.
It's clearly black, flexible
Something.
rubber something waist.
How's that look?
Okay, here you go.
Did I miss something?
Hi, everything.
Hey. All right.
All right.
No. I don't know.
No, now we want to do these, okay?
What color are you going to do next?
I don't think so.
All right. You
I
go.
know you'll help both.
Do it all, man. It's your picture.
Oh, that's beautiful. Hey.
They're waves. So you got
And that.
sound waves in his chest.
And that, yeah.
Yeah, nice.
And Obi.
It's his heartbeat. I like it.
No, it's about that. But you got you have just Baba. But it's a bad guy, Baba.
It's a bad guy robot. Whoa.
I your mommy done.
Oh, am I doing more blue?
Yeah.
On the chest?
Yeah.
Okay.
I did that.
Oh.
Alright. Hey, mommy.
What?
Hey, hang on, mommy.
Yeah.
I got the phone.
Owen wants this robot to explode. Let's do the explosion after we color the robot, okay?
Yeah. And then we'll.
Because we can use explosion colors for that.
Yeah.
Not a lot of blue in many explosions. I guess it depends on what's blowing up.
Oh, hello. I know. I use them and act.
Do you think we should use red? What about red, orange, and yellow?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
Should we do his legs blue and his arms blue? Or
No. Only that.
No.
No.
What color should his legs and arms be? We still haven't made his legs, arms, and head any color yet. What about those?
What color should they be?
Blue.
What color?
His head.
What
Blue.
color?
Okay.
The same,
Blue.
Same blue?
Yeah, it's gonna be.
Oh,
Sit, do, sit, sit. Oh yeah.
You're so helpful. You're so helpful. Do it like this, Mommy. Do it like this.
such a stinker. So rotten.
Oh, looking good.
This too?
Yeah. Maybe we do the claws a different color?
Ooh, yeah.
I don't know.
Yellow claws?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, excuse you. See how we're looking.
There you go. Get your
I can't see it. There's no hand in the way.
Oh, I was just a pot apple. Oh, this.
Now we're going to do one over here.
Okay, just
Hey, you.
I will this.
Owen Cam.
Oh,
Ah, whoa.
I'm
doing it
daddy.
like daddy.
Got some yellow stripes.
Ooh, fancy.
Mwah, 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 mwah.
Is it magnifique?
How you
All right. So you want an explosion?
Yeah.
Okay.
How was it back here?
Big explosion. Excuse me.
Baby, babu, daddy.
I didn't do that. That was all Owen.
Hey, daddy. Oh, daddy.
Steady. Hello, hello.
I will like that.
Okay, that's way too close. Let's make some art. Oh, no thank you. We won't be able to see if you leave kissy prints on there. All right, here we go.
Oh, secrets. Ooh, is he doing good? What do you think, buddy? Is daddy doing a good job?
Back guy, baba.
I'm a little concerned about where this explosion's coming from.
See? Daddy?
He
Yeah,
had
buddy.
too much pork and sauerkraut for New
It did.
Year's.
Does this robot have too much pork and sauerkraut for New Year's and now it's exploding? Sure.
Yes. I thought Owen was getting into it.
I did too.
Boo!
Ah!
All right, Mama, you want to orange it in maybe a little here around that red circle?
And then hop back.
Do a dark orange? Don't we? Oh, right there?
Oh, let's get some help.
And they're done. Oh, yeah.
I think it's done. What do you think, buddy?
Just stand right here and look at it, Owen. See what you think.
I see. I see.
So you
Okay.
can get the full perspective. Can you get up? You're stuck. You're drinking down your mouth, silly.
Let's Owen-point-of-view.
Hi, Baba.
What do you think?
Is that your robot?
Yeah.
Is it
Robot
good?
art. Final product.
Yeah.
Did we make good art?
Yeah, Baba.
All right. High five. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye. Make great art. Bye.
Owen Man.